welcome back to my channel. My name is Zinma and today I have a speed cleaning video of my bathroom. This was a requested video from one of my subscribers, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So basically my bathroom is pretty small. The smaller the better, I feel. The smaller the better, the smaller the faster for you to clean it. So I'm just going to walk you guys through the whole process, what I do to clean my bathroom, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video, comment down below, let me know anything and everything, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos weekly. Thank you so much for watching and keep watching. I will be using my Method bathroom cleaner, pair of gloves, and my scrubber dub my foam scrubber, and also a microfiber cloth. And one more thing, I will be using this Harpic toilet cleaner to clean the insides of my toilet. So here I will pour some Harpic into the toilet seat so that I can be able to just leave it to settle in for a few minutes to get out all the odors and all the stains and stuff from the toilet seat. I'm also using my Method cleaner to spray the surfaces of the kids' toilet seat and the kids' stool. Here I'm wearing my gloves, getting ready to scrub a dub. So I use Method cleaner for the whole of the bathroom. I just use Method. I feel like it makes my tiles shine more, so I love using Method cleaner. So here I'm taking everything out of the bathroom so that I can have clear surfaces to spray on and clean. Spraying my mirror and my windows to get them cleaned. Then I move over to the bathtub area and I'm just putting the toilet curtain away. I'm also going to be taking away the products out of the bathtub. And then I will spray the tiles and the bathtub as well. Using my toilet brush, I'm going to be scrubbing the toilet, making sure I get every single corner of the toilet bowl. Flush it, and then I will use tissue to clean the toilet seat area. If you do not have wipes, like toilet wipes, you could use your tissue. It's perfectly fine. I've already sprayed the toilet area with my Method cleaner. My Method cleaner is antibacterial, so I love using that toilet cleaner because it kills all the germs and all the bacteria, etc. So using my scrubber dub, I use it to clean off the kids' toilet seat and the stool. Using my microfiber cloth, I will just rub the surfaces clean. And here I am cleaning the window sill. I'm giving the windows a scrub so that they could shine. I find that using a microfiber cloth for the windows is perfectly fine. It doesn't leave any stains or anything. It just makes the work faster. Here I am just cleaning the, call it a mat, but it was like a table mat, but I use it for my toilet area because on the windows I like to protect the wood on the windowsill, so I use that placemat on there just to protect it, and it looks nice and prettier. I'm giving the back of the sink a scrub and cleaning the shower. I'm giving the taps a good clean and the tiles of the bathtub area. I'm just giving them a good wipe down. Using the method cleaner is so good. It takes away all the stains and all the dirt away from your toilet. I really love using the method cleaner. I either use the method cleaner or I use a Flora or Cif. I love Cif as well. Cif is so good, but I had run out of Cif. But I really love Cif. Here I will just use the water from the shower to rinse down the toilet tiles or the bathtub tiles. Here I'm taking away the floor mats, and I will be using my method cleaner again. This time I will open the bottle and pour some of the cleaner onto the floor. I like to use this one because it's antibacterial and it's good to like mop down the floors. I either use this one or Dettol for my floors. It's perfect, it's absolutely fine. You could use it for your toilet floor. Just open it up, pour a bit on the floor, and that's it really. Or just a bit of tissue on the floor, so I just popped that into the toilet and flushed. So when the floor is dry, I will then pop back new bath mats on the floor. And then put the bin back, and then I will start popping everything back into the toilet, like the placemats, the kids' toilet seat and the stool, the plant decorations, the hand wash, the shampoos and conditioners, you know, everything. I will just start bringing them back into the toilet. I'm going to put the products to stand up in the basket so that they look nice and organized. I brought back the candle, another basket. I've also popped this on the toilet tiles. That's where I put my shampoo, my conditioner and my bathing soap. Brought back the sponges. And I lit the candle. Yeah, my bathroom looks shiny because of the method cleaner, and I love the smell because from the candle as well that I lit. Smell from the candle is so nice. It is invigorating the whole ambience of my bathroom. I love this. Yeah, this is my window area where I've got some products, then my toothbrushes, the family's toothbrushes, and this is the floor. Yeah, so this is the finished look of my bathroom after it has been cleaned. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching me clean my bathroom. Please make sure you like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I post videos weekly and I would love you to join the family. Thank you, bye.